uKhuzani uyile kuma awards attenda wona.
The Beautiful Musicians Award to Khuzani.
Sanibonani. You must say yebo. Sanibonani. Yebo. Ninjani? Say siyaphila. Ninjani? Oh, thank you very much. I'm teaching you Zulu now. All the way from South Africa to Los Angeles. I will be the first Maskandi artist from my genre to be nominated overseas. I'm here holding my awards. Thank you very much to Papa Awards. Thank you. Gabo.
Thank you. Gabo.
Wathi mebuya khona phesheya wabuya nendebe wabuya ne-award sabo sanibingelela Ndofastsport TV le la sinibikela udaba laKhuzani apha se-Los Angeles USA kuma-Harper Awards lapha enominate kwiminxa emibili la bekuyi-red carpet njengoba sazi ukwemukela ama-nominees kukhulunywa nawo kuba ne-interview kodwa-ke ube simamezela uKhuzani ukuthi-ke cha nayo bakwethu kukhona kakutholile kuma-nomination akade ewu-2 simbonga kakhulu sithi halala mfoka Mpungose uthini lapho uKhuzani sivele awuchitha umuthi inkonyana best independent artist male African yawina-ke uyena-ke uKhuzani siyazi ukuthi na ama-awards uKhuzani into akade waseyingenela kunesikhathi eside wangenela and futhi nesikhathi eside wawina ewaphumelela futhi kuba nesikhathi lapho uKhuzani ethi ama-awards athize ngeke sewangenela ngezathu eyithize-ke kodwa lokho kwahamba kwashintsha ngoba umsebenzi wade ewenza omuhle kule minyaka kamuva ubomangalisa and akugcinanga lapho-ke uKhuzani kuneminye iminxa-ke anominathiwe kuyona lapha kuma-SAMA ase-South Africa engicane azoba ngoNovember late this year if I'm not mistaken. Sithala kakhulu uKhuzani Mpungose ey'ntweni ezinhle ozenzile kulo nyaka uya-eda futhi kwi-basket yakho izinto ozi-achievile. Ama-awards into-ke ekhombisayo isizukulwane abantwana bakho abantu nje bonkana ukuthi wena uhambe waze wafika la ekuphileni kwakho uhambeni lakho lomculo-ke bayalilizela-ke omama-ke bajabule bashaya amakhweleke iy'nsizwa obaba bajabulela-ke konke okwenzakalile-ke. Mayibuya-ke uKhuzani laphana-ke uzobe sephezu kwayo indaba ye-album ezophuma ngeyi-21 zikabani-ke zikaNovember-ke kuyikhona kule nyanga ngingakhohlwa next week ngeSaturday ngeyi-8 kaNovember umcimbi uzobe useThekwini kuyobe kuhle kudelile i-4th annual Gcwalisa Spring Picnic all white aphumile-ke ama-post-ke nabona ukuthi ubani uzobe khona ubani uzobe engekho kodwa nje la usingaye ukuthi siyamhalisela uKhuzani sibonge nje ngokuthi ubuye nayo-ke i-award ye-best independent artist male under African category. Sibonga kakhulu sizobuya-ke sizobikela ngezinye izinto ezenzakalayo khona la kule channel kodwa besidlulisa ukuhalalisa kakhulu ukuthi siyakubonga la mfoka Mpungose nisale kahle.